Welcome back. We have Preston, the best cameraman in the whole world, running the camera. Today we got another video on the Cybertruck talking about this little afterthought, which is the rear view mirror. And we all agree, you agree, I agree, that this thing's kind of useless. And we also agree not to call the federal government on each other for removing it. Luckily, there's a company called Must Have Tesla. Go ahead and kind of give that a little zoomy, you know what I mean? It's called Must Have Tesla. And this company makes a little block off plate for it. So you're gonna take this off, and it comes with options. So this is like the Cybertruck logo. Here's like the Cybertruck spelled out like it is on the seal plates, on the door sill plates. This is like the profile of the car. Can you see that? Okay. And then this last one is, it looks like something weird, you know? The Tesla nerds will know what that is. What you're gonna do, we're gonna take this off, and these just plug into that hole with 3M double-sided sticky tape, and it just plugs up there, and it just gives you a cool little emblem to block off that what it is. And to take it off, it's really easy. They give you the tools you need. You need a little flat-headed screwdriver and a T20 Torx. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look under here. There's gonna be a little bitty, like a wider spot in the seam that's gonna be right at the base of the mirror. You're gonna pop this out, which is right there. There it is. Now this is going to come off like that. This is the piece right here. That comes off. And then underneath here, straight up, is going to be a T20 Torx bit. And my hat came off because I was doing off-road extreme screwdrivering. Don't mind that. This is going to come down all one piece, just like that. And you'll see that conveniently, if you don't drop your iPhone down into the void that goes into the third black hole dimension of the Milky Way cluster, and between there, then you'll never get back. Now you'll see these little things have this kind of 1, 2, 3, 6-sided shape. It's going to plug right into here. You're going to close this flap, kind of show them up there. We're going to close this flap shut, boink, all the way like that. Does it snap? There we go. Did you get that snap?
Yep.
Second snap. You got to really push that in to make it snap. Now we're going to take our 3M adhesive off the back of here, and we get one shot at this, guys. We can't mess this up. Okay? So we're going to put it in like that. Catty-womp this first, and then straight up, and then we're going to press it, and we're going to hold it for a few seconds. Now, this is 3M double-sided tape. I think it's the VRB, which is the, which actually means very rigid bond, I believe, or very something bond, very realistic bond. So it's going to hold for sure. But now you have this up there instead of the mirror. This is what we used to have, and this is what we have now. I'm gonna link this box of stuff below. They give you all the options of all the different plates you want to put in there, and you could interchange them over time if you wanted to. We'll link them down below. I think it's around 50 bucks, 40, 50 bucks maybe. I would hope not more, but you know, who knows? And that's it, guys. Thanks again for watching. You gotta thank Preston for holding the camera, even though he made my hat come off and he made me clean the whole truck before I did the video. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.